everybody. We're going to be doing a reverse dip using 2 different size water bottles. Don't forget to put your tacks on. I do mine in the seam. It's easier, plus if you do it in the wood, it could crack your frame. My mixture is 1 part acrylic, 2 parts Floetrol, 30% water. These are so easy to do and they're so much fun. You never know how they're going to come out. Be sure and line your cups up. You got the dips. Make sure your dips go one way and the other one matches it. That way your petals will be the same. Put it in the middle of your canvas. I'm going to do this one copper, white, and black. My copper is metallic. You give it a minute, let all your paint run out, and make sure all your little petals have the same amount on your last coat. You see how your petals are lining up? That's important. If they didn't line up, you couldn't do that and have it look like that. Get your bubbles out. I use a dry paper towel to do this. A wet paper towel runs your colors together more. I use a bent straw. It's easier to get to your picture. Very pretty. Where your towel picks up too much of the paint, you can add it back. No big deal. Get the air bubbles out. When you pull the paper towel to the middle and lift up, all your paint is being pulled to the middle. So it's really thick right there. I like to thin that out. Gets rid of a lot of paint doing that. And it brings your colors together pretty. I do it in a circular motion when I suction it. That way it gives it a nice center. On my stir sticks, I cut one off to where it gives me a nice point, and I like the thickness. It really pulls the paint through. This pulls a lot of your paint back into the middle. You can suction back out. That way your piece doesn't crack later. Too much paint and it will crack. This is very pretty. I like these colors. Slowly do this to where you can suction the paint and bring it to the middle. You don't leave a gap there. This is pretty. Be sure and wipe off your bottoms. Get rid of them drips. And get your corners good when you do that. Is that not pretty? Later when it dries, you can paint you a detailed center in the middle.